Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our latest episode. And in this episode, I talk about why hustle and grind is so important for your life and for your business. So stay tuned. Hey guys, now in order for you to be successful, everyone talks about hustle and grind. Hustle and grind. We all know what that means when it comes to being an entrepreneur and being in business. You have to literally put in the work day in, day out for you to be successful. And that can mean a variety of things. Sacrifices with your friends, your family, your partner, your significant other. It could be letting friends go, letting deals go, letting products pass you by. So there's a lot of setbacks and failures that you have to go through in order for you to eventually make it to the top. Whether that be traveling, whether that being generating income for your business, whether that is getting sponsorships, deals, more revenue, more clients, more passion for what you love. And having a passion will definitely help you in doing what you love, whether that's entrepreneurship, business, fashion, uh, TikTok, whatever it is. So you have to have a passion for doing what you love, because everyone talks about hustle and grind, and it's very important that entrepreneurship also goes along with it, because when you're in business you have to have that mindset as well, because products will come. If you create a product and you don't get clients at first, you have to put it out on the internet, put it in articles, put it in newspapers, whatever the case is. You have to be willing to put in that work, put in the sleepless hours, put in the you know have sleepless nights, be up late till like 4 in the morning working on it, rebranding it, rephrasing it, putting in all that behind the scenes work, because things that people don't see on the internet is the behind the scenes work, the you know things that they see on camera they don't see when the camera's off. So that's the thing that is so very important that people understand, is that we're putting in the work when we're on camera in front of people, and it has to be the same way when the cameras are off. And hustle, grind, putting in the effort, putting in the work. And it's very, very important that you guys understand this. So if you guys want to know more, send me a DM on Instagram or Twitter and let me know your thoughts about this and what you think. But in all seriousness, hustle and grind and entrepreneurship are so important. So once again, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Hey guys, thanks for listening to our latest episode. If you guys want to know more and you guys want to hear future episodes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Add us to add us to your favorite podcast, and be sure to leave us a message, leave us a review, and we'll pump out more content to you guys. So I just want to thank you guys for listening, and we'll see you guys on future episodes.